What about the way that women and men are portrayed when they do the same thing? For example, David Beckham, right, takes his shirt off for some big commercial and everyone thinks it's fantastic. Women love it, men love it, it's all great. Someone like Miley Cyrus takes her clothes off at a big pop event in a reinvention from child star to adult teen pop star, 20-year-old pop star, and everyone goes mad, says it's completely outrageous. Is that still unfair? Are women still being treated differently to men for doing pretty much the same thing?
Well, for me, it has a little bit of the difference between erotica and pornography. You know, you can have a beautiful picture of a female body, you know, a beautiful actress or a beautiful model, or even, you know, they could be beautiful. And then there's a place where you feel it's usurious, it's gratuitous, it has an element of violence to it.
And was Miley into that?
Well, I'm not so much expressing an opinion here as expressing what I think is a legitimate question, which is that when a woman presents herself in a way that almost, in other words, I don't think nudity cheapens a woman. I think can be beautiful erotic imagery. But we all know there's a line where we feel there's something going on there that does cheapen us. And I don't think it's how the woman is treated, but I think a lot of times the question is, how is a woman treating herself and then standing up as a role model and in a space that other women are also witnessing?
What do you think, Sharon?
You know, I think that when we're looking at pop and rock entertainment and someone who's a pop and rock entertainer, there's a question of entertainment. And when you're an artist, I think that you can do what your artistry prevails. I think you can follow your vision of your artistry, and that is just the vision of your artistry. This is how I paint my picture, this is how I make my movie, this is how I make my sculpture. And when you are your own product, you're going to have to be willing to take the hit whether people like your product or not. I think that when you are the singer and the dancer and your song and dance is criticized the way that she was criticized, that's particular to the fact that she is her own product. I think she has a right to demonstrate her performance art in the way that she chooses to. And I think if she chose to do it that way, that's her business.